Good morning, my dear students. See, what is this? Guess? Yes, this is a hut. This is a hut. Okay, can you tell me where is hut found? Hut is found in village areas. Hut is found in village areas. You know, hut is made of mud and thatch. Hut is made of mud and thatch. Students, would you like to draw hut? Good. Let's start. For this, we need drawing file, one black sketch pen, one scale, a cap of Fevicol bottle and plastic crayons. First, write down today's date here and day here. In the center, you have to write down today's topic, that is hut. H-U-T, hut. Now, take a black sketch pen and scale. Keep this scale here and draw a line of 8 centimeter. See, 0 to 8. At 4 centimeter, you have to mark a dot. Now, keep this scale like this. And again you have to point or mark a dot at 5 centimeter. See, 0 to 5. Now point should be here. Now join these lines. See, it has become a triangle. Now take a margin of 0.5 centimeter from both sides. 0.5 and 0.5. Now draw a line of 8 centimeter from this point. See, 0 to 8. Here also you have to draw a line of 8 centimeter. Now join these lines. Now what you have to do? See, here again you have to take a margin of 2 centimeter from both sides. 2 centimeter here and 2 centimeter here. Now see, you have to draw a line of 4 centimeter on this point. 0 to 4 centimeter and here also 0 to 4 centimeter. Now join these lines like this. Now take a cap of Fevicol bottle and keep it inside the triangle and draw a circle like this. See, hut is ready. First, take a red crayon and start coloring in triangle. See, first we will do boundaries. You have to color it very carefully. Do coloring in the same way as I am doing. Now color it from side to side like this. color very carefully so that it doesn't come inside the circle. It should be inside the triangle. Now keep this crayon aside and take a yellow crayon. Again, you have to color in the boundaries like this. Color it very carefully. Now this side. Now we will do color here. Now start coloring inside the square. Color it very carefully from side to side like this. Students, you have to color in the same way as I am doing. Now take a sky blue crayon and start coloring in this rectangle. First we will do coloring in boundaries. Do it very carefully and in the same way as I am doing. Now color in the same way side to side as I am doing. Now take a dark green crayon and start coloring in this circle. First we will do coloring in boundary. Now start coloring like this. See how beautiful it is looking. Now it's your turn to draw and color heart in the same way. Thank you. Have a nice day.